Okay, now let's get into some Eurocad. Um, I know a few of you are in this one because it is positively correlated to the euro dollar. I just did an add-on for a short here. I need to lower this time frame. Let's take a look first real quick. Let me go bigger picture here. All right, so looking at this daily, this is wow, this is a unique situation here. All of this says uptrend, including this, but that doesn't make sense to the structure here. Let me make sure I got this right. Because I'd hate for this to be one of these situations here. You see how you have, some strong levels here that used to be resistance. They're now support. Price action breaks out of it, comes back to it, and now that resistance, that old resistance, is now support. So, I'm looking at this here, kind of got the same thing. This came up here, this was resistance. And so I don't want resistance to become support here. But it shouldn't, because it's positively correlated again to euro dollar. So let me go to a higher time frame, see what happens. Oh, now that's a short. That's long. Okay, that's long. That's long. Uh, there we go. That's short. Short. And it already broke that. That's short. All right, cool. So they are tricking us on the lower time frame. So this is not going to hold. All right. Let me see what we got here. Actually, I think I charted this for TP. Let me see here. Did I do it? Did I save it? No, I don't have anything. It's just a 2-hour chart. Wait, unless that was it. Oh, so this 2-hour chart looks like it's signifying us catching this move here, the supply zone that we just caught. So it's on the way down now. So we are on the way down for a short. We already caught this here. Let's map it out though. Thought I had it, but I guess not. So let's do this. Let's find the curve. Let's use 148 and 142. So our pivot high will be 148 and 142 will be the low. Okay. Then I'll modify it like that and like that. All right, so we do have a confirmed downtrend. Perfect. So that means I don't need any of these buy orders. All right. And what we have here, are they really going to come down that low? Oh, maybe to this one here, this TP3. All right. So as you guys can see, price action already came up, hit, and it might be better to, yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's this one back here. All right, so looking at that, we now have, these two areas here, our original demand level from when it took off, and now it's gone up. It's hit this major resistance. This is not supply, but because it's major resistance, that's why we're getting this major reaction here. All right, and we can treat it as such, and now it's retracing. I jumped in at 147.10. Some of you should have already been in with me from earlier. If you guys want to shave something off, you can at 145.22. Going to exit at 143. Let's call that's 48.9. So let's call it 50. 143.50. That's where we'll get out at. I'll shave half of it at 145. I'll buy back half. Let's buy back 103. That'll leave me with 100. And we're going to do that at 105. I mean, no, I don't want to take profit. I just want to buy back. 105.25. I mean, 1.4525. I'm sorry, guys. $1.45.25. All right. So I'm already in. You guys can do a market order if you'd like. Or I can zoom in and try to find something tighter. But price action is already at 146.81, so we've already dropped quite a little bit. Going to be shaving off at 145.25, which is here. This is also still signifying downtrend, which is good. And then we'll get out right within this demand level here. That got picked up at 1.4350, and then we'll figure out where we're going to go from here. Let me zoom in real quick. This is the 2-day. Okay. Let me save it before I get upset and say I don't have it. Let's go here. And this is the 2-day. All right. All right. So let's go 12-hour. 2-hour. Oh, this is going to be a really small time frame to find this. There it is. Ooh, the fact that on the 20-minute chart, they already created in the same supply zone. You see, remember I told you we picked this supply zone earlier? Look what happened. They created a new one right here. So it's already being created. So there's your answer. If you guys want to jump in on this trade, it's possible that it can come back up to 146.90. So let's go ahead and do that. Sell limit order 2 at $46.90. Might be a good opportunity for you guys to catch the pullback and then ride it down. There it is, popped up there. So 146.90. You ride it down. Let's go back to that 2-day. There we go. And let's go ahead and fix some of these prices here. So let's get rid of this TP1. Get rid of all these. Remove the drawings. All right, and then we'll still shoot for. I don't know. I'm not gonna do it yet. If you guys want to get in on a buy, here are two options. They're 100 pips away from each other, so I'm not gonna place these trades here. I'm just gonna wait for this to TP, and then I'll figure out based on whatever I see what I'm gonna do then. So you can place them if you'd like. It's not gonna hurt you, but because it is in a big picture uptrend. So um, just like euro dollar, it should be going back up again. But I'm not going to do anything as of right now. I want to wait. The other thing I wanted to add on here was, take off that mid pivot there. And then we're going to add the first TP at $1.45.25, and then the second one at $1.43.50. All right. And then I'll just take those buy orders off. There we go. Oh, actually, I can do this. We'll just call it support. Just put that on there. We'll just say support is at around $1.43. There we go. All right. There you have it. Price action has already come up. It has hit this sell order here. It came down and it hit a few TPs already. So this is us jumping back in the trade again with another opportunity to short. For those of you who want to get in, I just found one on the 20-minute at $1.46.90. Then you can shave off half of your position at $1.45.25, close out at it completely at 100% at $1.43.50. All right, there you go. That's Eurocad. Talk to you guys later.